They are really high quality models. They're built beautifully. Das Werk. Das Werk. I feel like Das Werk as a brand are overlooked. They are really, really high quality. They're up there with Takom, Border Models, and Meng. They are really high quality models. They're built beautifully, and there's not a lot of extras that you really need to be chucking into these unless you're going for absolute 100%, 100,000% accuracy. So let's have a quick look in the box of this one. 2cm Salvenmaschinenkanone. I've definitely said that wrong. SMK 18 Type 2. So this is it's got 8 guns on it. And this is an anti-aircraft gun. It's 100% produced by Das Werk in cooperation with Custom Scale. Oh, you've got some stuff for me.
Oh, wow.
I'm going to quickly go through this. Come in and have a look. There's your mic.
Okay.
This is a highly detailed breech and carriage assembly.
Yeah.
It has working elevation mechanism and sight mechanism as well. So all of this will work when you're using it. Choice of the optical iron sights, positional stabilizer arms, so you can have it in transport or going up. And there's heaps of photo etch details in here as well.
Oh my god.
So when we open the box, have a look here. Here we have got all the pieces for the actual component that swings and everything, and looks like the breech and everything of the gun. Here we have that stand, and we've got the full bodies of the guns here.
Yeah.
Nicely molded.
Yeah.
It reminds me a lot of a Takom kit. We have the gun barrels, which are slide molded, so they're all already pre-hollowed out for you. You don't have to sit there and drill them all by yourself.
Oh wow, that is good.
2-part molded magazines, which is nice. You can get good detail on both sides, and you've got the base plates there to prop them up. Here we've got the photo etch grills and a lot of the details like the iron sight and everything.
Yeah.
We've got the parts list and call out over here, and you have a beautiful instruction sheet in there, which I won't open this one, but very, very beautiful. And it's saying you have to go through the instructions like this.
Yeah.
How was that? Nice little model. If you're looking to upgrade your model set, because I've touched on a lot of models that will upgrade your dioramas and stuff today.